Bilang mga magulang ng mga batang ito, nais ba ninyo sila ay tumanggap sa sakramento ng binyag upang makiisa sa buhay ng Diyos at makaanib sa ating simbayanang Kristiyano?
You can't hold me down. You can't hold me down. Nothing's gonna stop me now. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't. I can't. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't. I can't. I'm done chasing out my demons. Yeah, I learned the hard way. I made my decision. It's time to let go. It's time to let go. Find me high up in the clouds. We don't need to be lonely. Everything that
Eleanor Ray, ikay binibinyagan ko sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
nothing's gonna hold me down. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't. I can't. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't. I can't.
Happy first birthday, Ellie! We love you!
If my life it's moving too slow.
Ayun, masaya kasi pangarap ko ring magkaroon ng anak ngayon.
Ako sobrang blessed yung feeling kasi akala ko hindi na ako magkaka-baby. So, blessed kami na bigyan ng isang baby na healthy, ganyan. Kaya sobrang saya namin. Yun yung sineselebrate din namin ngayon.
I'm ready to go. Oh, oh, oh. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't. I can't. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't. I can't.
Happy first birthday, Nel. Sana malaman mo na ikaw yung pinamagandang blessing na binigay sa amin kasi napaka-talino mong bata, napakabait mo. Siguro ang pinaka-wish ko is maging healthy ka na bata.
Kung ano man ang gustuhin mo, paglakin mo kami ng bahala ni Daddy supportahan. Happy birthday!
When I opened up my eyes this morning, sun was shining bright and the day was golden. Hey, hey, something in the air and it's got me soaring like I'm Michael J and I keep on scoring. Hey.
Everyone, please give a round of applause to Daddy Danielle and Mommy Reina Lay, together with baby Eleanor Ray.
Bless also her parents, Ninang Lenlen and Ninong Danielle, along with her family, godparents, and everyone gathered here today. May we all support and guide baby Ellie with love and faith.
Favorite day. My favorite day. My favorite day.
Say hi! Hi! Ngay ko, hi!
This is my journey, don't stop believing. Pump up the jams till we're dancing on the ceiling. Yeah. My favorite day. My favorite day. My favorite day. My favorite day. This is a beautiful light. The sun is shining outside. Nobody's killing my vibe.
lumaki kang mabait, lumaki kang masunurin at masiyahin. Mahal na mahal ka namin at susuportahan ka namin sa kung anong gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Nandito lang kami ni Daddy para sa'yo. Love you!
My favorite day. My favorite day. This is a beautiful light. The sun is shining outside. Nobody's killing my vibe.
Siyempre gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa inyong lahat and you still find time and effort to be with us today. So sobrang na-appreciate po namin. So sobrang saya ko po na makita ko po kayong lahat.
My favorite day.